Before we get started, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and let's get the video going. Okay, in this video we're going to be adding textures. What you want to do is basically go up here and put in your file path of where your texture is located, and then once you have that file path directory, your texture should populate here. And now we're going to drag it here to create a node, and drag another one to create another node. Okay, so what we're going to do now is basically drag our color to our base color, connecting nodes, and we'll get different textures. Okay, as you can see, textures are applied. If you wanted to name your node, you just go here, type concrete, push enter. Now this node is known as concrete. Okay, so say we want to create a new node, we just would hit this new material here and add material. Change the name to color brick. And push enter. Wait. Go. Push enter. Okay, push enter on that, and we will have a new name. Concrete. Select this. Select brick. Color. Brick. Push enter. Okay. Okay, so if you want to add this other color to the object you have here, let's say we wanted to add this object here with a different color. We can just basically take away this, since we already applied the color to the other objects. Okay, going to add this color, this texture here at the base, and we get different colors. Okay, so we're going to select this one here, remove it, and this here should be brick. Yeah, and we get something different, and this is how we add multiple textures. And that's it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.